Category A02, Best Single Ad originating with the publication Black and White. First place, the Florida Catholic Orlando School Ad by Michael Jimenez. Second place, Arlington Catholic Herald, Pilgrimage for Canonization.
This is certainly an honor, and I'm humbled and pleased even to be nominated. Can I just write something for the journalist? I'm a writer, I'm not a speaker.
The church has only one mission. We exist just to announce the gospel and to announce Jesus Christ to humanity today, to men and women that we are encountering in our way. For sure that the press, the radio, the television are still maintaining their importance in communication, in announcement. But today we have also social networks. And the Holy Father is inviting us to be witnesses of Jesus Christ in this context.
And the exhibitors, as one of the exhibitors for CNS and USCCB Communications, we had an opportunity to talk to the clients and just get their impressions.
Okay, well, we are Image Books. We are the Catholic imprint of Penguin Random House. So we're a Catholic publisher, and we've been around for 60 years. This is our 60th anniversary that we're celebrating this year, and we publish a wide range of Catholic thought.
I've been taking care of all the registration problems, but not that there have been many problems, but you know, it's nice to be able to interact with people and make sure they get what they need. So first thing I'm going to be at tonight is the Catholic Press Awards. Wow. That's the only one that I'm going to be able to go to because I am there to help run it.
We have a very special guest here this evening, and I'm so grateful that she came to Charlotte to speak to us tonight. She's a professor of law at George Mason University School of Law, where she teaches family law, and religion and property law. She regularly speaks about women in the church, religion in the public square, and the papacy. As you know, our keynote speaker is Helen Alvarez. I mean, everybody knows her. She's just amazing.
The audience got up and asked a question as to whether or not the bishops were, quote, hiding behind my skirts. And Cardinal O'Connor's remark was, it's too short, who could hide behind that? Remember that? That was the 90s, right? So thank you for having me again.
Third place, Arlington Catholic Herald, Harvest and Holly Bazaar, and I'm not just saying those because my wife works there. Honorable mention, the Compass, Pray for Vocations.
To write the next chapter, it's going to be the next year's conference committee. So to talk a little bit about that, I'd like to bring to the stage Mr. Patrick Beakey from the Western New York Catholic. Help me welcome him to the stage, please.
I would just like to invite everybody here to Buffalo, New York next year for the 2015 Catholic Media Conference. I'm authorized to promise you a trip to Niagara Falls and all the chicken wings you can eat. So enjoy the hot sauce on your tables.